we're going to invite ourselves into a short practice to increase vitality in our bodies. So if you're able to stand, come to standing. If not, if you would like to have a seat, you can come to sit at the edge of the chair and set the feet out a little bit wider in front of you. It gives you more access to your core and ability to move. So whether you're seated or standing, finding that grounding through the soles of the feet and feeling the muscle engaging the feet, so you can feel the calf muscles, the quads, lengthening the torso out of the pelvic bowl, shoulders come back. And as we've done, connecting into your joints, finding your range of movement. I call it the wiggle, finding your wiggle. All right, so we're going to invite ourselves into some movement that can be invigorating. So I'll invite you to inhale, bringing the arms all the way up. And exhale into what we call a standing squat, bending at the ankles, arms up. So we're going to inhale here. Exhale, the arms come behind the left side. Inhale back to center. Exhale, other side. Inhale back. Exhale, center. Inhale up. Exhale to one side. Exhale the other side. Do that one more time. And coming all the way up. Slow release. Noticing what's present. You can notice what's present with your heart rate, perhaps the body temperature, anything else to notice in that short practice. That was just a few minutes. So if that is a little bit too intense and that made you a little dizzy or was uncomfortable, another suggestion is such a simple thing. Just letting your arms come out to the side. Move from side to side. Children intuitively do this until we slap backpacks on them. You might find some freedom with the arms. It feels nice. Give yourself permission to find your own way of being here. And yet another movement that we can do is just to find ways to shake tension out of the body. That'll increase our vitality as well. And research shows us that when we shake, we release cortisol, that stress hormone that builds up. So finding ways to increase your vitality in your body with your own body.